Today, I just want to explain about a simple approach, a very simple approach. Someone may take it as a trading strategy because you can use it even to trading and how to interpret these forex charts. First of all, I would like to start with market structure. Let us see about market structure. What is market structure? Market structure is just simply how the market moves. That is very, very, very simple, how the market move. And usually the market moves in just two to three forms. The first form is, you can say, we have an uptrend whereby we have series of high highs and higher lows. In the second form, we have a downtrend whereby we have series of lower lows and lower highs, like this one. And the third one, we have a sideways market. Other people, they term it as a consolidation type of market. This is very, very, very basic. I think everyone is aware of it. So upon these highs and lows where market creates, it comes a point whereby it creates these levels, and these levels are known as levels of support and resistance. So there are some people that fail to identify these levels of support and resistance, and start following the textbook examples and textbook definition that support and resistance are areas. Actually, the definition is clear, that are areas whereby sellers and buyers take control of the market. For instance, for a support level, it is an area whereby buyers take control of the market, and resistance is an area whereby sellers take control of the market, or area whereby sellers enter the market to push market to the downside. And support is an area where buyers enter the market to push market to the upward. So people came to be confused that whenever suppose this is an uptrend, and this is an area where market has broke this resistance. So think that a lot of textbooks say that whenever you see a resistance is broken, then in future this resistance become a support. So here is where a lot of people get confused. Think that if this area is broken, they can took a bullish trade or a buy trade when the market becomes to retest that broken area of resistance. But the truth is, whenever a support or resistance is broken, that level is broken forever. You can never use it in future. So if the level is broken, suppose this is we have this resistance. So if this level is broken, this can never become a support here. So from today onwards, you must think of it that if a support or resistance is broken, then in future it will never become it will never be being used. So always market creates new levels of support and resistance, or sometimes it become to test the fresh levels of support and resistance. So in this case, we can say that if this level is broken, then market can either do 2 to 3 scenarios. That is, it can either come to test this level of support over here and then go to the upside, or it can either create new level of support or resistance and go to the upside. So what we're supposed to do is to wait either for a market to create new level of support around this area, or to drop or to come at this previous level of support and test this level and give you some confirmation, and then market to push upward. So instead of start waiting for broken level, this resistance level, market to come and retest. And what is a support or resistance? A support or resistance level is formed whenever in any area or any place on a chart. It is formed whenever you see an opposite candle. That opposite candle, it may form a support or resistance, even if it is just a single candle. Even a single candle can form a potential support or resistance. So it's just the matter of time for you to try and to observe and to wait where the market is forming this level of support and resistance. So let's see on the recharts. so that you can understand what I'm trying to elaborate here. Let's come to our real chart. For instance, this is Goldie, and this is our 5-minute chart. This is our 5-minute chart. You can see here we have series of bullish candle here. You can see here the market is very strong to the upward, and suddenly when market reaches at this upward, you can see we have this opposite candle, and this candle is just a bearish pin bar. So when the market repeats this bearish candle, means that this is sellers. There is presence of sellers at this area here. So this candle is clearly creates a resistance level. Because why? Because we know that at a resistance level is a level where there is presence of sellers. So after creation of this opposite candle, which is a bearish pin bar, means that at this area there is presence of sellers. So in future, market can come and test again this level and try to push to the bottom. So as you can see here, market after come to the second time at this level, retest, and then create another level of resistance by creating an opposite candle, confirming that this area there is a presence of sellers, and then market pushes to the bottom side. And then market, as you can see, once dropped at this level, we have this opposite candle, which is a very strong bullish candle, creating a support level. Then in future, market when came back again to test this level, it confirmed this level by creating new level of support, and then market push to the upward. So this is where we identify levels of support and resistance. So if this level is broken over here, let me clear the chart. If this level, this resistance is broken, this level we can never use in future, that we broke this level of resistance and say that in future this level will become to be support. Look at here, this level was broken and market came at this level, it broken to the bottom, it breaks to the bottom side. So if you are to buy at this level, means that you are already your stop loss was wiped at this area. So from today, start to think this way, that support and resistance areas are areas where sellers or buyers took control of the market, and once the support or resistance level is broken, then it will never be used again. So you have to wait for market to test for a fresh level of support or create new level of support or resistance. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and even you can share your thought there at the comment section. Thank you.